cadets. Today we are going to discuss about the nationalist movement in India. The beginning of the nationalist movement in India. The year after 1857 is a significant year in Indian history. It witnessed the first revolt against the mighty British Empire in India. It started as the Sepoy Mutiny, soon spread out like wildfire mainly across northern and central India. However, this radical revolt failed due to the lack of coordination and planning of the revolutionaries. Nevertheless, technically, the revolt of 1857 remains the first war of Indian independence. This realization of national identity was a lengthy process. It also informed common people, leaders, and revolutionaries to bring about change. Let's study how the consciousness of one nation theory emerged in India. In India, the rise of nationalism was intricately linked with the opposition of colonialism, similar to the way it happened in Vietnam. People realized that they were experiencing common suffering under the oppressive British colonial rule. This understanding brought the different groups together in the anti-colonial struggle. However, each group developed its own method of struggle against the British rule, event which proved instrumental in the history of Indian freedom struggle was the First World War. India had been forced to take part in the First World War. The First World War, in which Britain had fought against Germany. To continue the war, the British had to increase their defense expenditure and so levied new taxes on Indians to amass more and more money. So for this, they introduced many policies and schemes, like they introduced income tax and increased the custom duties. The rise in taxes had an adverse effect on the common people, like workers, tribal people, small manufacturers, etc. These common people were forced to live the life of extreme hardship. So, remain things